In the wild Highlands of Kintail, where mountains meet the clouds, one clan earned a legacy of loyalty, bravery, and fierce Highland pride. This is the story of Clan MacRae and their iconic hunting tartan. Look closely, every colour holds meaning. The deep greens reflect the forests and glens the MacRaes defended, the blues echo the waters of Lochdeer, and the bold black lines represent the strength and unity of the clan itself. For centuries, the MacRaes served as the guardians of Eilean Donan Castle, one of Scotland's most famous strongholds. Fighting beside Clan Mackenzie, they were known as Mackenzie's shirt of mail, a title earned through courage, sacrifice, and unbreakable loyalty. In 1719, during the Jacobite Rising, the MacRaes stood their ground as the castle was bombarded by government ships. Many fell defending it, but their bravery carved their name into Highland legend forever. Today, the MacRae Hunting Tartan is more than cloth. It's a symbol of warriors, protectors, and a clan whose spirit lives on in every thread. If you love Scottish clan history, follow for more stories woven through courage, colour, and the Highlands themselves.